Hello, if you wonder how to use the live listen option on your AirPods 2nd generation, just let me show you. So right now we have to go to the settings, scroll down to the control center, click on the customize controls, and now we have to add the hearing. So click on this marker. As you can see, here it is. So go back, and when we're going to open the notification bar, there is the ear icon, so click on it. But as you can see, currently it's unavailable, so we have to open the case and put the AirPod to our ear. Okay, and right now we can press here to turn it on. And now, sorry again. Okay, and right now it's working, and I clearly see, I clearly hear what is going on around me. So, really useful feature. I hope that it helped you guys a lot. If I do, of course, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscriptions. See you in the next videos.